Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a Cars with Subscribers video. So today we are at MTM, Oudse Motoren, Heumen, Malden, dicht bij Nijmegen. We're gonna put on the Maxton design splitter and then Maxton design side skirts. I'll show them in a minute, but they're up here. So yeah, let's get into it. So the tools you're going to need for this is the 6mm drill. Then you need the T25 Torx. You need a little 10mm socket with a wrench or something like this. I don't know if you really need this, but I used it. Screwdriver to get the plate off, 10mm wrench, and then you need the 4 imbus size 4. So this one, but then the imbus size 4. Then you have everything you need to take everything apart, put it back on. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off these T25 Torx. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you can just put a screwdriver in front of here, pull it down and pull off this cover. So we have a little bit more room to work. After you take that off, there's three more Torx here in the front. One is already gone, but I'm going to take those out too, so I can move this a little bit. So I'm going to try to fix it with these screws. I took off the bottom plates, and you can reach pretty good inside here. And now I have to be inside this piece. So what I did, I turned the wheel all the way that way. I'm just gonna open this. Let's see, 1, 2, maybe one more. See if I can pull this back. Maybe this one as well. We'll see. If I can get a wrench or something in here, then that's okay. So I'm gonna try that right now. So I opened this one and this one. Then you can pull this aside. From the inside you can see this right here is, I think, where you need to drill. So for the next part, we're going to put this against the bumper. You should do it with 2 people because it's really difficult by yourself. And then I'm going to drill. Then I'm going to drill a hole with a 6mm drill. Then get my imbus wrench and put this through the bumper to hold it on the inside, and then just screw this one in. Then I'm going to do the other side, and then I'll go from there. So we are using these bolts. Oh yeah, before you put it on, take off the plastic. So we got the plastic off now. I turned the wheel to the other side to take out this bolt and this bolt on the other side as well. Now I'm going to turn this wheel back, drill this one and put the bolt in, then do it on the other side, and then maybe somewhere in the middle too. And then I can drill the rest. So it's all now. What I didn't only open this one and this one, but I took out this one as well, so you have a little bit more room to get your hand inside. Then we drill this one. It's a imbus 4. Put it in, put the nut on the inside, and just screwed it Then on this side we did the same, and then here in the middle we did one. What you do here is you go in between here, wait in between here. Don't know if you can see it, it's there, with a little wrench. Now I'm just going to do the rest. So it's on. Let me give you a little tip. In the video I say you have to open this wheel arch to get to it. But if you put your hand in here, then you can reach all the way back here. So it's not necessary to take this off. I would do it so you can see between there, but it's not 100% necessary. In the end you can also put your hand in there and then get to there. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bolts. As in the description, I tried to put them as far forward as possible, but some of them is just impossible to reach, so I put them further back. See, I drilled here, but there's no way I could reach it up there. Then in the end, it's on there, pretty sturdy. So yeah. So now to finish up, put this one back, put this one back, put that one back right there. Then you get that plate and you push it in here. Make sure they click, the little pins click in here. And when that's on, you're just gonna put back the screws you took out. So I think there's like 4 on this side, 1 in the front, and 1, 2, 3 at that side. So I put back the bottom plate. I forgot to mention, don't forget to put those screws back. 1, 2, and the one at the back, number 3.